Not nice to fool Mother Nature. Pine Creek doing some whipping around. I didn't go out today. I can't imagine the creek not being way up. We got a lot of rain last night. I need a lot of rain. I don't know if you can see that or not. The complex still has their Christmas lights on. Get the Christmas lights off, you guys, and we'll quit getting winter. I'm inside, so I'm not anywhere where lightning can touch me. I am so over winter. Tomorrow is April 1st. Last year by April 1st, we had flowers in bloom. Not this year. Hear that thunk, 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 thunk noise? That's the water hitting the pipe. Rain spout. Rain spout right by my bedroom window. I laid in bed last night and listened to that half the damn night. I only came out and slept on the couch. Whoa! This is gonna be a big boom. Told ya.